are you this afternoon? How are you this morning? Whatever the time is, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time. So in today's video, we want to unbox this. So munaelewa chamas. So we have something called vitu za jikoni chama. So the first thing I got was this. It's this duvet cover set, 3 piece. It is 3 piece and it is a microfiber. It comes like this. Set of this. Sorry. We have this. This is 1 piece. And the second piece is here. This is the second piece. Then the duvet cover itself. It is a queen size duvet cover. So the second thing that we'll open, we'll unbox this cutlery set. Supposed to be like this, 3 each. Is how many pieces? 6 dinner knives, 6 dinner spoon, 6 dinner fork, and 6 teaspoons. So let us arrange them according to the way they are supposed to be. This pressure cooker, I've been eyeing this one for a very long time. It is a 5-liter one. Unbox it with you guys. The first piece is the lid. Then this one. The next piece, it comes with the manual. Then this is a small thing. Without this one, you don't have a pressure cooker. This one is supposed to be fixed somewhere here. Then let us try to refill. make sure umeifunga vizuri.